Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. I am here with another frame based on first year MCQs selection from Federal Board, courtesy of Federal Board. Question number 1 reads as scalar matrix having diagonal iota or iota 0 0 0 iota 0 0 0 iota multiply 3 times a into a into a. It is equal to what? We have given a matrix, a scalar matrix having diagonal elements same 0 iota 0 0 0 iota. We are asked to find a cube. We are asked to find a cube. A good property in scalar matrix or diagonal matrix, just keep on multiplying these diagonals 3 times, iota into iota into iota. It will become iota square into iota cube. Iota square is equal to -1, so minus iota. So the answer of this is going to be whenever it is a scalar matrix except diagonal, all elements are 0, a1 1, a2 2, a3 3. All elements except diagonal are 0 and diagonal is same is scalar matrix. How to multiply them with no effort, with no time, just multiply the diagonals. Iota into iota into iota 3 times. It will become minus iota. So a cube is equal to minus iota 0 0 0 minus iota 0 0 0 minus iota. In order to arrive at some MCQs, this is not minus iota, it is additive inverse of the given matrix. Whatever we have, it is additive inverse of the actual one. Taking minus common, we have iota 0 0 0 iota 0 0 0 iota. So minus a is the right option. A cube is equal to minus a. How to multiply matrix direct? When it is a scalar matrix, all diagonal elements except are the 0. Except diagonal element, the rest entries are 0. When the lower triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, both are 0. How to multiply them? Just multiply their diagonals. A cube 3 times iota into iota. 4 times one can multiply iota into iota, and so on. I hope it's answer to this question. Moving one step further, we have given a mixed sort of series 3 times 1 square plus 5 times 2 square plus 7 times 3 square and so on. We are asked to write its nth term. 3 times 1 square plus 5 times 2 square plus 7 times 3 square. 3 dots, standard dots to show continuity. Look at the first term of each term. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. What about the next one? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. It's mixture of two series. It's mixture of two sequences. First term 3, 5, 7. I have taken this one. This is okay. Find its nth term. An is equal. It is AP, where A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 5 minus 3 2, 7 minus 5 2. A plus n minus 1 times D. So we have an is equal to let me change the marker. An is equal to a is 3 for nth term, n should be intact, d is 2. So we have 3 plus 2n minus 2 means 2n plus 1 is the nth term for this one. What about this? It's easy to guess. It's n square, where n is a natural number, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So our collective general term is going to be the collective general term. Our nth term is to be 2n plus 1 times n square. 2n plus 1 times n square. One can verify from the options as well. We know that in case of sequence and series, n belongs to natural numbers. n belongs to natural numbers. Okay, put n is equal to 1 for first term. 2 1 the 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 times instead of n1 square. Second term a2, 2 3 the 6, 2 3 2 to the 4, sorry, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 times 2 square. Similarly a3, 2 3 the 6, 6 plus 1 7, and here 3 square, and so on. Fourth term 2 4 the 8, 8 and 1 9, 9 times 4 square, and so on. One can verify from the option or by orthodox definition. It is a collective of two series, collection of two series, mixture of two series, amalgamation of two series. First 3 5 7, it is arithmetic. We have heard nth term, and it is simple. If we drop square 1 2 3 4, its n, its general term is given by n. One can find by applying same arithmetic, where a is equal to 1, d is equal to 1, putting and get. Let me solve this as well for you. A plus n minus 1 times d. A is 1, n minus 1, d is also 1. 1 plus 1 minus n cancelled out, and so intact the square, intact the square, intact the square. Nth term of this is going to be n square, n is square. Okay. Moving towards question number 3. Another simple question 1. I am compelled to solve this because they are present in MCQs, and I am solving as it is, without selecting good question. I am doing all this. In how many ways 5% can be seated round at a round table? Formula for round table. A round table. It's given by n minus 1 factorial. So we have given 5 persons. N is equal to 5, put here 5 minus 1, 4 factorial. 4 factorial can be written as 1 2 3 into 4, 24 is the answer. Factorial can be written as in that fashion as well. This is also symbol for factorial. This is also symbol for factorial. One must be familiar from this as well. So in that case, our option is 4 factorial. Option number A. Option number A. Next question based on probability. What is the probability of drawing a king from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards? Kinds of cards: spade, club, heart, diamond. The basic deal. Each comprises 13 cards. 13, 13, 4 times 52. Each has as king, queen, jack, and 2, 3, and so on. As king, queen, jack. As king, queen, jack. As king, queen, jack, and 9 more cards. 9 plus 4, 30. Okay. The main difference to solve this question at federal board level or Punjab board, they consider S as a face card. They consider S as a face card. While in our Sindh board, it cannot be considered a figure card. It is not considered to be a face card. These 3 cards, king, queen, jack, are considered in Sindh board to be face cards. While at Punjab level or the federal level, S is also included in face card. We are asked to find what is the probability of drawing a king. How many kings are there? 4 kings. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 52. One can apply table. 2 over 26 or 1 over 13. 1 over 13. 1 over 13. So our answer, it has left here 4 over 52. It is the style of Aga Khan board as well as federal board. They cannot apply a table in order to give you good facility to arrive at the result, arrive at the right option. Yeah, it is option. 4 kings overall divided by 52. They cannot reduce the fraction. One can reduce as well. Okay, cool. What is the coefficient of the third term in the expression x minus x raised 8? What is the third term? What is the coefficient of third term? We are interested only in coefficient, and even from the options 1, it hasn't opened the combination as well. Just hunt what is n, what is r, and it's our answer. X minus 1 over x raised 8. Coefficient of third term from Formula point of view, it's R A, it's R B, it's R N. Third term means R is equal to 1 less than the term. Value of R is 1 less than the term. Value of R is 1 less than the term. Why? Because binomial term formula is given by QR plus 1 is NCR and combination of A raised N minus R times B raised R. Look at this. If we put 2 here, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, the required term. If we write 3 directly here, 3 plus 1, then we are going to have fourth term. We are asked to find the coefficient of third term. So take R 1 less than the term, 1 less than the term, 1 less than the term. Putting values, N is 8, C2, X raised 8 minus 2 minus 1 over X raised square. 8C2, here is X6. Its power is even minus can be turned into positive, cancelled out. 8C2 X4. That is the third term. That is the third term. But we are asked to find only its coefficient. Only its coefficient. And he has written the answer in coefficient form, in combination form. 8C2 is our coefficient. 8C2 is our coefficient. 8C2 is our coefficient. One can solve as well by n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. N is 8, 2 factorial, 8 minus 2. 8 factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over 2 factorial means 1 into 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6 cancel out. Table of 2. 7, 4 the 28. R 28 is the coefficient of this one. One can leave here as in the options 8C2 or one can further solve this one as 28. As 28. Okay, moving towards next question. Inequality is given to us. Hunt the value of n when it is true. Hunt the value of n when it is true. The inequality is 2 raised n is greater than, is explicitly greater than 2 times n plus 1. 2 raised n is greater than 2 times n plus n. And the value of n where n belongs to positive z or natural number. 2 raised n is greater than 2 times n plus 1. Explicitly, if I put, what are the options? 3, 2. If I put 2 here, 2 square, 2, 2 plus 1. 2 square means 4. 4 is greater than 2 times 3. 4 is greater than 6. It isn't valid. What about, I have put 2. What about 3? 2 raised 3 is greater than 2 times 3 plus 1. It's 8. 2 times 4. 8 is greater than 8. It is still not valid. Take greater than 3 means 4. 2 power 4 is greater than 2 times 4 plus 1. 2 power 4 means 16 is greater than 2 times 5. 16 is greater than 10. Yes, yes, n is greater than 3. N must be greater than 3 for this inequality to be valid. N must be greater than 3 for this inequality to be valid. So our option is n must be greater than 3. N must be greater than 3. Okay. Next question is based upon symmetry. Symmetry. How, when it is symmetric about x-axis, when it is symmetric about y-axis, when it is symmetric about origin. Origin means both it is symmetric according to x-axis as well as y-axis. Let me give you a good idea. Y is equal to x4. If we replace x by minus x, the result remains same. The result remains same. If we replace x by minus x, the result remains same. Like even function, so it is symmetric with respect to y. Symmetric with respect to y. Symmetric with respect to y axis. If that is the case, y square is equal to x. If we replace y by minus y, and the result remains same. We have replaced y by minus y. Y by minus y, and the result remains same. Result remains same. it is symmetric with respect to x-axis. It is symmetric with respect to x-axis. With respect to x-axis. If an equation that is symmetric with respect to both x and y, it is known as symmetric with respect to origin. Like we have x square plus y square is equal to r square, tiny equation of circle. Replace x by minus x, y by minus y is equal to r square. So there is no change when we replace x by minus x, y by minus y. It is symmetric with respect to x-axis as well as y-axis, or simply it is symmetric with respect to origin. It is symmetric with respect to origin. It is symmetric with respect origin. With respect to origin. With respect to origin. Sorry, I have dropped I. So I have given you good idea. If we replace x by x, result is unaltered, then it is symmetric with respect to y-axis. If we change y by minus y, result remains same, it is symmetric with respect to x-axis. If we replace both x by minus x, y by minus y, and the result remains same, it is symmetric with respect to both x and y, or simply it is symmetric with respect to origin. Symmetric with respect to origin. Moving towards final question based on inequality. These are the questions from linear programming problem, LPP. Linear programming problems, LPP. Linear programming problems, LPP. And the feasible solution and optimum solution always lie at the vertex. Okay, cool. -1 and -1 is the solution of which inequality? Replace x by -1 as well as y by -1 less than -1, -2 -1 less than -1, -3 is less than -1. So this is valid, this is valid, this is the solution of this inequality, this is the solution of this inequality. These are the mathematical statements having more than one solution, Look, one can easily verify less than 2 when n is less than 2. There are so many numbers, they are less than 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, and whatever the case is. So these are open statement. How we can hunt them? Less than 2, there's 2. 2 is also in excluded, 0, 1, that's 2. Less than means towards left hand side. It is all the solution of this one. If there is n is greater than 2, then I would have sketched towards right. If there is greater than or equal to, then I have included 2 as well. I have closed this circle as well. Means it is 2 or greater than. Greater than means towards the right hand side. Less than means towards the left hand side. Okay, guys. It's my tiny effort for you guys to give you good idea, good background, what is mathematics or how to solve such type of elegant questions from elegant sources. It's all by itself. Next.